Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, the microphone seems to work now. So hello everyone. This is my second stream for Ming Hikari developing, and yes, I'm still streaming on Twitch mainly. It's been a while since my last stream actually. So for the second time, hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night whenever you are on in the world. Welcome to developing, Ming Hikari developing. For more exactly. Okay. So I actually have a little bit of order set up right now. So my second laptop is currently lying there. I think I will set it up to be ready for streaming also, because I may do some session on my laptop, which is the first thing that I would say. And as you are already noticed that it's been a while. I think it is 1 week from my last stream where I just come up, say hello world for the first time, and then installing and prepare my main machine for developing something. And that is actually that first stream. And to tell the truth, I am currently actually a little bit late today, and I believe that I only have about 1.5 hours for streaming. So, and I will use this stream today to kickstart something. So I think let's actually get started. Okay, that's my grandmom trying to ask me trying to ask who's talking. But yeah, I definitely will try to find a better place for streaming. I will share a little bit of that with you in the process there. So let's find my main screen, and there we go. So my main screen should start up now. Okay. So we will get into some development today finally, but before we going, I will actually need to try to reintroduce you again for anyone new in this stream about the project that we will do this on this one right now. Okay, I don't know why I have that open, but all right. I will try to have some music like in the next session because I haven't prepared and set up that yet correctly for now. So let's just chilling for today, and I may try to play some music if it turns out we have some time to spare. Okay, so as I already told you last stream, I actually want to have not a big start, but a small project for just kickstarting the channel here. So we will do something that actually related to my personal hobby, which is anime. So in case you don't know, I actually have again what is that, blog.minghikari.com. So you will see that it is only in Vietnamese, but basically this blog is my personal blog that I dedicated to anime. And you can see I actually have quite something going on here. Some posts, to tell the truth, that I'm not that active on the blog. I just get into write like the kickstart when a kickstart post for kickstarting a new season. I wrap, and then when the season is near its ending, I come up and write the wrap up post, which is the one you can actually see here. And I hope this one is okay. This is actually me lazy again because I actually don't have English inside here, but for every single post, all the posts are actually written in Vietnamese and then in English. So basically I want my blog to be a little bit I want to interact with the outside world a little bit, so it's just only Vietnamese, but anyone in the world can hop in and read my post inside here. And as you can see, I am currently writing Vietnamese and English within a post, right? Okay, but that is actually my post and my blog, and we are not here for talking about what is my hobby and actually how often or how lazy am I for maintaining this blog. We're here to developing, and the first project that I will use for kickstart this channel will be a makeover for this blog right here. So how can I say this? I will do a makeover on this blog, so we will completely change what is currently running underline, which I will come to in just a second. We'll also try to find another theme for it. Okay, so I think that's the main two points that I want to tackle with this project, but it will be a whole makeover. So let's get started with our first session of doing things. So what we will try to do today, so actually if you can see in the chat, I actually have a command which I am currently typing in right now, called project, yes, this one. And you can also see, this is the information of the project. So I'm having a blog for my anime hobby at blog.minghikari.com, which I am now doing a whole makeover to it. And what we will do today. So today, I believe, oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. And so I just done introducing you about the project. Okay, actually I'm not done that yet, but we will come back to it in a second. Then we will try to set up the stack for the project. We will try to come up with a list of to-dos, and finally we will try to make something in that to-do list going. Okay, so that is our goal today. So project today, if anyone happen to be in the chat, you can use two of those for knowing more about what we will do today. And also there is something called commands that will list out all commands that I already set up for the stream, which you can find in the link that just appeared in the chat. There will be a little bit more commands inside here if you are interested in. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's now return to the about the project part, and let me actually tell you what is going underline, because we're here to developing and we are caring about what is going on inside here, right? Okay, so the blog here, I actually use something called Ghost CMS. I am currently using this. In fact, if I am going to it now, you will see that I have an admin page right here, which I can log in and manage my posts inside. Don't get me wrong, Ghost is a wonderful and is absolutely like a very good CMS. I only have two problems. but only to me. I have actually some problem with it. First, come from my laziness. I actually deployed this instance of Ghost on my personal VPS, which I rent from Hesner. Hesner, can I? Is that the right way to pronounce that? Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, there we go. So I spelled it wrong, but yeah, I rent a VPS here, really cheap to tell the truth. And I am currently hosting my blog on a VPS here. Okay, so it seems that I am having a first chat. Unfortunately, that is something called Streamrise. Okay, harmful Cooker1. Hopefully I pronounced your name correctly, but I will check out that later. Or should I check it out? I don't actually know if I should do that. I don't know if that is a good sign, but let's see. Yeah, basically, if you can support me by following me, it will be much better to tell the truth. I don't know. Yeah, I don't actually know if I can count that as my first real comment inside the chat. But anyway, let's continue. So I actually setting up my blog goes here on this channel. On this on a VPS that I rent here. The problem is, again, come from my laziness. I haven't set up any mechanism to back up the data. So all of my posts here, in a very unlucky day of me, this blog can just disappear without a trace, and I don't actually have anything that to bring it up again because I lose all the data already. So that is the first thing. The second thing is I actually having a little bit of trouble with their post editor. Don't get me wrong, it works wonderful when I use that on Google Chrome or any browser on PC. When it comes to my tablet, which runs Android, which also which is also my intended to be the main way of editing the content on this blog right here. Very many times I come to a problem that yeah, let me just open one for you just to see. So you see this fancy header, right? You see this fancy section which we have a picture of the anime and the info it right here. One incorrect press on the delete or on the backspace key while editing can make every single of those raw HTML to be messed up. And I actually made that fade more than I can remember, which completely yeah, I was mad. I was really mad those times because I need to spend about 1 hour later just for reformatting and get everything back to place, which is not a beautiful experience. And also that is, I can only use that for any Chromium based browser on Android. I tried Firefox, I tried Waterfox, I tried anything that based on Firefox. It straight up does not work. The editor does not work on Firefox on Android. And I actually also want to have something more simple in code, because it will absolutely be much more difficult and much more complicated than using Ghost for all the people out there. But I will try to use something else that actually will like give me a little bit more flexible and also a much more simpler than Ghost. And also, how can I say that? It will give me much more flexible on where and in which format that I can edit or making content for my blog. So what we will use to do the makeover for this one. If you already watched my stream previous time, okay, I actually really want to delete this message, so hold on a second. Yeah, it's going out from the stream. There we go. The live chat also reflect on that one. Yeah, it is just because that is that message is just a spam one. Okay, never mind. Let's come back. And I actually have no idea what's happening on my stream right now, because I actually don't have the second screen currently. I am currently using my I am actually currently using my post. I actually currently using my tablet as my second screen, and it's actually much more problem than I can think of about. Okay, at least I can get it going now. All right. I hope it will not nuke the bandwidth while I try to play the stream at the same time. So hold on, I want to actually go. Yeah, audio quality, I don't know why it's not getting me a bit lower, but okay. All right, so let's come back. Okay, so let's get not getting sideways, and let's go back to what we are going to do today. So I actually in love with Vue.js, the framework. Absolutely in love with it, and I like the framework so much. Then I also come across something called Nuxt.js. So what is Nuxt.js? It's just a framework that will give Vue more power than if you use Vue out of the box. So any of you guys, if you already use React, I think you already come across Nuxt.js, right? So Nuxt.js here is actually Nuxt.js, but for Vue. That's all. And with Nuxt.js, I actually come across something else called Nuxt content. And what is Nuxt content? Content make easy for Vue developer. So basically, Nuxt content is a file-based CMS which make you available to write a post in Markdown format. And boy, I love Markdown. I'm so in love with Markdown. I use Markdown for writing documentation in the project at my own company, at my previous company. Current company, I use Microsoft Word because that's how they work. So yeah, but still, I still love Markdown because it's easy to write, it's fast to write, and it's actually very developers friendly. And of course, Nuxt content will power up markdown using view also. And this will be the thing that we use for the whole rework of my blog. I know the about project part is getting a little bit long, but finally we come to this page right here. We come this far. So this project, we will use Nuxt content. My blog will have a whole new look and a whole new stack running under it. And this is also actually my first time playing around with view tree, with Nuxt and Nuxt content. I will try to learn along the way. So hopefully you guys can learn with me also. Alright, so that is everything, right? So let's get started. Let's try to do some coding now. Okay. Now let's see if I have Node.js installed. No. How about this one? Also no. Yeah, I will need to install Node.js for a bit, and yeah, let me try to install that now. Okay, this stream is a little bit boring now, so I think I will come with some music from Stream Beats, Apple Music. Don't worry, I will be done in no time. It will be done in no time when I actually finally find something to play. Yeah, what should I play? What should I play? I don't know. Hold on. What should I play? Stream it. Yeah, I actually don't want to be striked by Twitch about music, so this is my best bet. Let's go to albums, and let's try to play something here from Streambits. Okay, I will play it now. It is playing, and I will also need to set that up, so hold on a second. Audio output capture, and yeah, let's do this. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3. I hope that you already can hear that on the stream, so I will get it to -35. I think it's good already, so yeah, hold on, let me try to set things up a bit here. So yeah, okay, don't worry, the stream is, yeah, don't worry, the stream is not ending yet. It's just me playing around. Sorry, I will try to be a little bit more consistent this time, but at least now I think we got the music started. So yeah, let's get back to our work. It's been a while. Okay, all right. How much do I left? Oh, 32 minutes. Okay. Can I make it go like, oh, let's go like this. Yes, try to play it in a loop like that for me, please. Okay, then I don't need to care about that. Okay, let's jump back to ASDF. Let's get started, and I want to install that. I'm using Arch Linux and OS for more exactly, and which means I already should have those two. This is Pacman. Yeah, this is Pacman. I should already have those two. So let's come down here and actually download that using Git. Okay. Now if okay, it already worked, and as you can see, I don't actually need to do any configuration just because I already using ZSH, which has the plugin for ASDF, so it just works right out of the box. I don't actually need to do anything that added to those files or something like that. I don't need to. Alright, so that's done. Let's go here, and I will try to installing a plugin for managing Node.js. Yeah, plugins, Node.js. We actually have it here. Let's copy the whole thing, paste it in. Okay, that should be done, which means I can now do simply SDF list on Node.js. So let's see what version that we have it. Okay, so it looks like the latest LTS version will be 20.11.1. So I can so let's install that. The 21.6.2 is the current version, but I always recommend you to work with the latest LTS version instead, because it is more stable. Can I get that mic down a bit? Yeah, that's fine. All right, let's see what can we do. Oh, that's a big pump, sorry. Okay, so that's done, ASDF. So now let's open not this one but VS Code. Everything zoom in a bit so you can actually see what's happened. Alright, so let's get back to Nuxt content, and I actually will get this to the other windows. Okay, let's get back here. Oh wait, okay, I can't actually get back here yet. I will need to go to here, create a new folder called projects. I also need to get back here and creating a folder called, okay, let's not creating a folder here, because we will use something to do that. Before that happens, I want to also install pnpm, and we will use npm for installing that. So where is the, I actually want to check the docs a little bit. It should be, yeah, like I said, it is. So node. Oh, I completely forgot that that I had to run that ASDF global Node.js and this one. Okay, so if I close that and open again now then node should be done, and npm we should have it. Now paste that and let's wait for it to be installed. That is really quick. So we will use pnpm instead of npm for installing and managing the packages that we will install later. Which, let's go to Nuxt content installation, and now I want to try to, yeah, we can freshly start a Nuxt content project with this one. So let me actually copy this one in a terminal that is open inside this folder, and I want to call this Hickory Annie blog, and let's wait for it to run. Why not? Yes. Okay, which package manager would you like to use? I want to use pnpm. So let's wait for it. Should be done any second right now. pnpm is actually really quick on installing things. So I used Yarn before, the classic Yarn, not the new Yarn now. And now pnpm is just a thing that is my goal. I always use pnpm for now. I always go to pnpm right now. Do you want to initialize a Git repository? Let's say no for now, because we will manually do it later on. That's done. Okay, so I can cd this one and then Let's open that in VS Code. Of course, I trust myself. And there we go. So we actually got all the thing and all the pages, but let's try to run it up to make sure that it is working. npm run dev. No please. And I will start another Chrome right now. So is it started? It should already started, right? So localhost 3000, and it worked. So Nuxt content, it is currently working now. Okay, let me actually having some more thing that some more convenient thing first. Let's see, run task and configure task. Can we do that? Okay, npm strip run dev, and yeah, npm run dev. We can actually use pnpm on so run dev server. We don't actually need the detail here. We actually don't need the problem matcher here. Let's save it, and now let's stop this. Let's open this one, run task, run dev server. So yeah. Okay, you know what? I don't know if it, yeah, there's no way. pnpm. Let's see if it run right now. Okay, you know what? How about this one? How about that? Okay, that run. Woo! So yeah, I will try to see if I can configure that using pnpm later on, but we have it and it's still working. Nice. Now I'm spamming F5 and it's still great. Okay, so this is Nuxt content, right? Now let's actually create a we actually have a readme.md here, but also I want to create something called todo.md. So we will treat this one as a to-do list. So let's look at my blog again. What do I want to do with the blog? So the second thing, so we are currently setting up the project, and now we will try to having a set of to-dos, so we can have a list of tasks that we want to do, and we will use that to track our process and plan our work for this project in the future. So this one is not this here, but Hikari and the blog project to do. So what do I want to have here? First, init the project, which we already done. So now the first thing we done is the first thing that I want to be done, that I want to have it done, is how can I say this? Finding and implementing a new template for the blog. That's it, right? Okay, setting up. Okay, first a new template. Let's say a new look for the blog using a new template. I actually already found that template, so we'll come back to that really quickly. We will try to complete that today. Okay, and now and we'll do some layout. But saying about the layout, I want to have a page. Let's say the page, no, the post pages. Okay, let's say that I will want to have the post pages. So let's call this features, and let's call this setting. Okay, let's go for the features actually. So this is the getting started. So we already init a new Nuxt content project, which we just done, as you can see. Now I want to have the post pages. I want to have a home page, and on the home page I actually want to have list of posts. I want to have some sections like MAL plus YouTube channel, links, links to MAL and YouTube channel. I want to also trying to managing, you know what, anime watching schedule. I want to maintain that, so let's see if we can make that happen. Okay, of course we will want to have the post pages, so we will have the page for posts. We will have list posts. How can I say this? So like I want to categorize the posts using tags. So I want to actually have a post, a list posts that have a specific tags. That's all. So and we will use the tag system to categorize the posts on the blog. Okay, internationalization, language switch. So we will try to get that done between English and Vietnamese, of course, because I would, this thing we will try to think, and I am not just only want to internationalization, like having multiple languages for the homepage UI, but also for the content of the page too. We will try to think that up when we got there. And then finally we got, let's say, operation no task, and this is related to deploy and setting up auto deploy. I think let's go with that for now, and hopefully this will be this to do this right here. It will not stay like this. We will add in some more. We will removing something else. Okay, actually before that happen, internal tools. Okay, I would say internal utils for helping with posts. Okay, which means I actually want to have some internal tools that can help me to speed up my work with my blog. So that's all. Okay, I think let's try to go with that, and we will update the list on the way we go. Okay, so we just done this, right? Now we will try to do this. Okay, but how much time do we have? Oh, actually more than 30 minutes. I think I'm actually setting up a very quick repository on GitHub, so why not? Let's do that. Okay, but I think I will need to blur the screen now because I will need to setting up something. Okay, that's actually work. So github.com. I don't know if you can see what is currently going on, but if the text there is only big, then you will see it, but if it's like this, then I don't think you will see anything. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So let me signing in. Yeah, it is required me to have a verification code from my email, so hold on a second while I'm checking my phone, my inbox actually to get that email. Oh, I actually have a following on Twitch, so sorry for not paying attention earlier, but thank you EM8721 for the first following. Sorry because I actually don't have an alert setting up right now, so yeah, please don't hate me on that. Yeah, hold on, where's my dev inbox? And actually get a code right here, so it is 8 9 7 6 3 4. Yeah, I will set up F2FA right now, and that code I just read to you is not the real code, so don't worry, that's fine. Okay, no worries, we are not leaking anything out, so don't worry. Alright, yeah, I will actually need to create a project here, which I actually currently having a project here, so I actually can let you see this right now. So main screen again, and everything should become normal right now. Okay, so this is the project that I started, as you can see, 3 months ago, and I dropped that. It is just because I actually have no motivation to continue that, but now forcing myself to stream just to get some motivation into it. I think you can understand me at that point now. Alright, actually I will now want to delete this one, so hold on a second. Yeah, why I want to watch all the activity here. Where the setting, there we go. Delete. Yes, I know. Of course, yes, I know. And yeah, typing, but I can just copy paste. That will work. Okay. Haha, we are done. Now let's create a new project, and we will call that with the same name, just because I want an empty project here. A description, an optional one. Yeah, my anime, my personal anime blog. That's all. Public, because why not? Yeah, you can actually have two ways to having my to read the post. on my blog. First, you can come up straight to annieblog.minghickory.com to read it. Or if you like a little bit technical, then I think you can just go into github.com and try to find this repository and then reading the content of my blog directly from the markdown file. That's the way. That's one way you can achieve that. Alright, so I will keep it as public, so create repository, and that is done. Okay, I actually need to blur my main screen again now, because I actually need to configure some SSH. So please wait for me a bit. Which means I should copy this one. Private key. Got it. Okay, what is that? ed25519. Okay, so let's say a new file called id ed25519. Yes, and open that, which edit, paste my private key in. Yeah, you cannot see anything there. That's good. All right, that's already good enough. Let's go onto the main screen again, and let's ch mod plus 600 id, this file right here, and ssh add id. Okay, this is interesting. What the hell is happening? Why it's not working? Yeah, could not open a connection to... What the hell? Somehow my connection thing is actually... Okay, that is interesting. Why it's happened to me now? Could not open connection to your authentication agent SSH add. Yeah, do SSH actually open that? I don't know. Yeah, but SSH could not start for some reason. Not going correctly assigned. Dang it. It should work right from the get-go. Yeah, SSH agent SSH. Okay, let me actually try that. Yes, here we go. Gedit shrc. Yeah, let me actually add that in. Thank you. And close, and now open that, and it's actually automatically add this one in, which means if I let me actually stop it here and completely delete it here. It actually should work already inside here, just in case. Okay, hopefully it will. Now let me actually come back to the thing is, where's my GitHub again? Right here. Okay, and let me go git init. So git init, we're initiating some git inside here, which is good. So we actually have all of this right now. Let me actually add the remote really quickly inside here, and let me go with init commit. That's all. Let's go to add all of here. Of course, I'm not configured yet, so because it is a new machine actually. Git config global mình user dot name mình hikari, and I will use email mình hikari 1994.plusdev@outlook.com. Okay, so now let's do that again. And why it named master again? Okay, let me actually not using that one, but create a new branch called main. And publish the main branch. Not master. Because yes, let's do that. Main, because it is actually more friendlier to the CDCI tools if we're using the name main instead of master. Okay, let's do that, and we actually have our source code here. Alright, now let's go with our first to-do list. Getting started task. Implementing a new look for the block using a new template. Yeah, I actually already found my destiny future imperfect, so let me actually copy that and show you the new UI. HTML5, and there you go. So this will be my new theme for the blog. I actually can have a post list right like this. On the left here, I can just list my anime list banner link here, my YouTube channel link banner here, the plan, the schedule for watching anime, and some accordion here. We'll come to that when it is the time. And then I can actually search for a post. I can actually have this menu right here, which I actually have no use to. I actually have a tablet ready, completely ready here for me. The tablet portrait also, and on mobile also, which is so nice, as you can see, and it is quite simple, right? So let's download that down. No, don't want. And as you can see, we actually have some files already inside here, so let me actually quickly open that for you. So this is to stream. I don't need them anymore. So this is the future imperfect, which I will now want to create a new folder called future imperfect. And yeah, why I'm doing this right now instead of directly export that the all of the map, I don't know. Sometimes I'm just a very stupid person. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, where should I put it? Right here. Okay, I actually can't use the name templates for a folder here because that directory name, that name for a directory is actually a special name for Nuxt to figure things out, so I don't want to use that name. Instead, let's go here, create a new folder and call, let's make it like that, future imperfect. Okay, wait, hold on. Can I actually using something else? Wait, what did I do? Yeah, I'm doing something very stupid, right? Downloads, still here. Yeah, no worries. I know what name of folder that I want to create. I will create a folder called base template. This is my custom folder name, so let's paste the future imperfect here. Alright, so as you can see, it is here, and you can actually see the index file right here. So this is the whole thing, right? This is the whole folder that store the source code for the thing. Okay, I don't want to read that. Yeah, future imperfect, and we have single. This is for a post. So if I'm going here and open that for you so you can see, so the index here is actually this one right here, and single is just, why I'm doing that, single HTML. Yeah, this is just a post. That's good, and I will use this simple template for her thing. Now I will want to do something related to that, and the first thing is we will need to try to implement this template into the Nuxt.js page that we are currently having here at localhost 3000, which I actually need to start again. So Ctrl P, no, Ctrl Shift P, run task, run dev server, and it should be up right now. Okay, now how can we do this? Oh, we have SLS and we have CSS also, which means I actually want to add something into the project first. Add what? SLS. I don't remember. Okay, let's try to add that later when we come to it. Okay, so the main thing is I will need to add this, not the single, but I need to add something into the page first, which means I want to create a new file called index.view and go with a strip. No, sorry, template. Okay, so let me try to go with this is the main page, going with the style, length is SCSS. I think this will begin to yeah, I specify the length as SCSS and it seems not care, which is a little bit strange. It should care, right? Oh, it's not care about that, but I got the main page there. Okay. Yeah, let me try to say body as background color. I don't know. Okay, it's finally say something. Yeah, we will need to add this in. So P and PM add SALS. I need to get it in. Sure. Now, is it still work? No, I think I will need to stop that. Do that again. And as you can see, it is working now. Oh, right. So yeah, we got this. We got the thing. Now this is the main page. What I want to do now is go to content, go to index. Nope, sorry, not this one. No. Public. No. Where's the base template? Again, index. And I want to copy. How much do I want to copy? The whole body to this one right here. So let's see if it works or not. actually not the body. I will need to remove that from the wrapper, but here you go. Oh, this one, voila. And let me actually not doing that strip. Those strip actually should go somewhere else. I also want to get rid of the body tag. That will come later. Okay, so it's working. Nope. Yeah, we actually got some images of things that I need to remove now because oh yeah, image.avatar. So I will need to find, okay, hold on, images. We actually have quite a bit, quite much, to tell the truth. Alright, how can we deal with this? How can we deal with this? Okay, how can I deal with this in the most easy way? Because I don't actually want to delete all of them. Okay, this is so fun, to tell the truth. Alright, how much file is it actually? So we already got, wait, hold on, let me see how much do we need to care about. So this one right here, how much? And can we replace that with, yeah, pick one. Oh, we actually need to deal with 11 one. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's temporarily, yeah, I think we need to temporarily get those things somewhere, otherwise it will be a problem with the dev server right here. Okay, hold on. So images, avatar, right? And it should be inside here, every single thing. Okay, which means I should be able to get it inside this folder, right? So copy this one and paste in here. Let's see if it works or not. Stop and that again. Seems to working. Seems to work. No, it's still not working. So how can I actually do I actually need to wait? Maybe I know. So all of these things. I think this will work. Yeah, it works now. Finally. So as you can see, it is working, but yeah, it looks not correct, right? It is because I haven't put the style, the CSS file in. And if you are taking a look at index.html right here, you can see that they actually have a CSS file. The thing here is, where do I need to put that? Let's read Nuxt a bit. So docs, and I want to go to where is it? Guide. Oh no, not guide. Sample. No, not sample. Also, access styling right here. Local style sheet. So we actually have a folder called access here, which I will be create now. Or we actually already have, no, this is the okay, sorry. I actually can create a folder called assets. Do I spell it right? No, I spelled it completely wrong. There we go. So that assets, and it is, and it can do style sheet inside here. So which means I can go with CSS and then copy the CSS file from, we actually have font awesome in here. Okay, oh, it is imported font awesome. All right, copy the thing and go here, paste, which should be a good one. Okay, and now how can I put asset? So void or webpack to process. Okay, I actually want that. I actually want that. So global style import. I can actually use Nuxt config to do that. So let's go to see this one right here. So DevTool enable is true. Nice. Let me actually try to go for this. So white, yeah, we actually have it. So okay, why don't I copy the whole thing? Yeah, paste. So we have white, TypeScript file, this one. No, where is it actually? White CSS. No, I actually don't want to do that. Format document with this one. The default formatter should be this one right here. Okay. So yeah, that works. All right. Why CSS I don't want to global style sheet CSS actually. Let me actually not do that. Okay, how can I use that? Styling. Oh, I can actually just do this. Ha ha ha, yeah. CSS. So I can just do this, right? CSS, man.css. Oh, it's actually the same name already. So yeah. Let's see how's our page now. Bang, immediately work, as you can see. That's fine. Okay, but those two are not working yet. And the reason? Well, it is because we actually still have 4 JS files here that we need to include in the project. So let me actually also call. I don't know if I can actually put the JS file inside here. So let me actually take a quick look. Should I do that? I remember that I did that to tell once, to tell the truth, but let's see. Assets, style sheet. Okay, Nuxt config .ts right here. Okay, we actually have CSS. How about JS or something like that? I don't think we actually have that. Hold on. JS, Java, script. Okay. Google. Google now. Nuxt.js including custom JS file. Yeah, I want to add it as globally. Oh, so we are okay. So we actually have something like this, right? So strip. Do we actually have that inside here? Let's see. We also have type strip, no strip. Wait, hold on. It should be head, right? Wait. Do we actually have that? We actually have it. So we have meta, we have style, we have striped. Okay. So yeah, let's go for it. Wow, input config. Wait, hold on. Oh, app. Really? Okay. Now everything makes sense. So, oh, it is an array, and I think it should be like this one. This is the strip. Yeah, src. And I want to get, I don't know if this will work or not, but I am now putting the strips, the JS, inside the access folder also. So as you can see, JS, and they will have following this one right here. So first is jQuery. One, two, three, four, five, I believe. Browser.min.js. Don't worry, we will fix that in a sec. Breakpoints, util, and then main. The reply.min, util is not with min, this one is not with min also, and I believe it is 1, 2, 3, 4 from that. Okay, let's see if it's compiled right now. It is reloading. It is not working. As you can see, it is still not working. Now if I add something into body, true, I know it is not here, it is not, it sits anymore in the schema, but adding that in, and I believe that it should work correctly if I refresh the page now. Yeah, that's strange. Yeah, I actually have the strip added in here, and we actually have 5 error. Wow, what error is that? Console please. Okay, do you know what? Maybe I need to restart the server again. I hope that is the case. Yeah, that is the case, but it's still not working. What the heck is happening? Okay, now I'm really curious why there's wait. Wrong link. Do we need this? It is not. It is still not correct. So let me actually say, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. It is still not correct. How about this? Static. We actually have a static folder. What Nuxt saying about that? Oh, okay. I don't know where to look at it now. Wait, hold on. Example, no, guide. Yeah, directory structure. We actually have something called static or public or something like that. No, we actually not have something as static, but we actually have something called public. Oh, okay. So I really should put it in public, right? So not in assets, but inside a folder called public, which I should move this one down here. Yes. So the JS will go here, but the CSS will go here because I want it to be. Maybe I'm just flashing too much. There you go. It load now, and it should working now correctly. A win for me, and that actually took me like 4 minutes left. I know that I started a little bit late today, but with this one we actually complete this to do as well. Time to commit, right? I know how much it is because as you can see, yeah, as you can see. But the next stream we will come to the fun part where I'm trying to figure it out how to do those things. Alright, so I think that's it for today. Yeah, we are getting a little bit of coding there, but it's actually not that much. And but I have a feeling that we can do this, like not quickly. Yeah, I'm going to try to stream a little bit more. Yeah, I will try to stream more. I think that's all I can say. And before ending, let us actually add the big changes with 99 files and more right here. We will try to delete the. We will delete this later. Absolutely, we will remove this later for saving the thing. But for now, let's keep it in because I will still want to refer to some parts of the original template to try to figure it out something else in the process. So now I think let's commit everything in, and let's get the commit message as implemented the future imperfect template. So let's commit that and push every change up. That is a big change. I know that is a big one, and that should do it. Ta-da! We should have the second commit right here, as you can see. And if I go to the to-do, we actually have 2 of those. We actually done the getting started task. Next time we will come to the task down here, which it should not look like this, right? Wait, let me actually try to. There you go. Control-Shift-V, I believe. I think it's not, but first format, first checkbox format of to-do list. Yeah, let's do that really quickly. And it's done now. There you go. Lovely checkbox for me. Alright, so I think let's call it a day for now. And yeah, I will try to stream a little bit more frequently, so we can get the fun part as soon as so we can actually get to the fun part as soon as possible. And at least today I got 1 follower, so again thank you very much for the only follow that I got today. And I really hope that the future stream of me will be more interested for anyone of you that jump in and hang out with me. Yeah, I will try to have a better setup again for having any alert showing in the chat and on my stream, so I can actually managing that in time. Also, which may be a thing of tomorrow, because maybe I will stream tomorrow, not at home but in a coffee shop near my home. Yeah, maybe or maybe not, but let's wait for that. But let's hope, let's not wait, but let's hope that I can do that, so I can be a little bit more flexible about how I stream and where I stream later on. Okay, so for any one of you who's still here, thank you very much for staying with me late today. Good night or have a nice day based on wherever you are. Peace.